Horses out, coming out into a perfect beginning. Tailwind, Queen Cuba is down on the inside. And in third, Gaia moving up, Wadializing. Take Me Tonight is racing in fifth. Then followed by NC, who's running at the tail of the field. Into the turn they gallop. We have Tailwind. He's 2 lengths ahead in front of Queen Cuba. Wadializing is on the outside third. Take Me Tonight now moving up to take fourth. Gaia in Pipa, and NC trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Tailwind by about 2.5 lengths. Queen Cuba now trying to get closer in second, so as with Wadializing. Take Me Tonight still in fourth, then followed by Gaia and NC. Tailwind still in control by about 2 lengths. Queen Cuba remains in second, Wadializing in third. Take Me Tonight now coming closer in fourth, Gaia in fifth and NC. Tailwind by only half a length. And on the outside now, Queen Cuba, Wadializing, Take Me Tonight, Gaia and NC. As they come down to the last 150. Tailwind by all moving up Queen Cuba, Wadializing, Take Me Tonight. Queen Cuba, Tailwind is down on the inside. It's now Queen Cuba, Tailwind, and nearing the finish line. It's Queen Cuba, Tailwind. Then comes number 3, Wadializing.
Despite na nakasolong tagana si Tailwind, but still inaabot pa rin siya ni Queen Cuba sa